What's the meaning of champagne socialist? Champagne socialist. Champagne socialist.
Champagne socialist. Champagne socialist. Champagne socialist is a term used to describe wealthy individuals who publicly proclaim their support for socialist ideals, but do not actively engage in advocating for or implementing these ideals. They may enjoy the benefits of capitalism and accumulate wealth, but claim to support socialist policies that would result in more equal distribution of wealth. The term is often used in a derogatory manner, suggesting that these individuals are hypocritical and insincere in their beliefs. Overall, champagne socialist is a label used to criticize people who espouse socialist principles but lead privileged lifestyles.